To create a hip roof, first of all make sure you're on the roof tool, then left mouse click on the polygonal roof construction method under the geometry section, and then as we go to our floor plan, I'm going to draw a roof over this slab. Now when we do a hip, it's always wise to do the short end first because it's easier to define. So first of all, I'm going to left mouse click on the first corner, drag my pitching line out and click on the second corner. Now the eye is asking me which way do I want the roof to rise, so I'm going to click on this side of the pitching line. Then I'm going to go back to one of the corners, doesn't matter which one. When the pencil's black, left mouse click once, go to the other corner, left mouse click again, and I'm going to hold the shift key to constrain it to the 45, and while I'm still holding my shift key, I'm going to drag my mouse up to the opposite corner, and then when the pencil's black, I'm going to click once and then let the shift key go and then click again. There's my first roof plane. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite end. So if I hit the corner, left mouse click once, define the pitching line, click again, there's my pitching line, roof to rise to this side of the pitching line, go back to one of the corners, make sure the pencil's black, make sure the pencil's black, hold the shift key, go up to this corner, wait for the black pencil, left click once, let go of the shift key, click again, there's our second corner. Now the last two sides are basically just joining the dots, so I'm just going to draw my pitching line, want the roof to rise this way, then I'm just going to spell out the roof by clicking on those four nodes. So there's my roof section, or that part of the roof. Draw my pitching line again, left mouse click up there, and then spell out the roof again. Make sure the pencil's black each time. And so there's my roof. Now if you're drawing a roof, it's probably a good idea to make sure you align the fill to the slope if you want the fill showing. It's probably worth taking note that roof cover fills appear on the floor plan only if you've chosen outline only in the floor plan display options, since we're only looking at the top view of the roof, which is what I've done. And if I wanted an overhang, you can just select each roof plane and then select this icon here, and as you move it out, if the tracker pallet's on, I can take that out, sorry, the tracker palette. I can just type in 450, enter, and once you've got one done, I can just always line that up with the black pencil and click like that. So that's how we create a hip roof manually. And there it is in 3D.